SolarWinds Backup supports many different recovery scenarios from a single backup, whether you need full system recovery or just a single document. SolarWinds Backup makes it fast and easy. The Recovery Console lets you select any restore point. Choose your recovery point by day, time of day, and then select your desired recovery location. SolarWinds journal-based technology makes recovery from your most recent backup, or from last year's archive point, equally fast. Perform a virtual disaster recovery of your server to a virtual machine running in an alternate location of your choice, including a Hyper-V instance in the Azure cloud. Virtual recovery options include local VHD files, VMware VMDKs, or Hyper-V. If you want to recover to an alternate server or workstation, SolarWinds Backup fully supports bare metal restore. To help keep downtime to a minimum, choose Continuous Restore mode. This allows you to create a standby server using the hardware of your choice. SolarWinds Backup will send a second copy of your offsite backups to this location. That way, the warm standby server is ready to go anytime you need it. In addition to a full system recovery, you can also restore a single file or folder from the SolarWinds cloud or from the optional LocalSpeedVault. With file-level backups, you can recover just what you need without having to restore the entire image. Whether you need to recover from a full system outage, a hardware failure, or an accidentally deleted file, SolarWinds Backup is ready to help.